Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia Salamona, aka Black Panther, aka Panther. I'm sorry guys, I don't have that British accent, but it's okay, we move. Guys, I also put some subtitles for you, so can you just hit the like button just for this please, because it takes a lot of time to put some subtitles, so thank you. Okay guys, so the wig I'm going to put on today is from Arabella Hair. So they sent me this 360 wig in 22 inches. So I received the hair in this box. So in this box, wait a minute, just look at this. So they sent me this cute little, I don't know how it's called, but if you know how to call this, put it in the comment section because I don't know. This was also in the box. I really love the eyelashes that Arabella Hair sends because it's like big eyelashes and I really love big eyelashes. They gave me this, like, you know, for baby hair. They gave me this cute little, I also don't know how it's called. It's a pince in French. so that was in this suitcase. It's not a suitcase, but yeah, we move. I don't know if you understand me because I know my English is like, it's the ghetto. I think I'm gonna do like this instead. So right now I need to cut the lace. So when I cut my lace in three, like 1, 2, 3, in 3 parts, you know. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Your frontal is too high, you need to cut it. Your frontal is too high, you need to cut it. Okay. So right now, to style my curls, I'm going to use the hair styling mousse from ORS olive oil. I feel like it's the best. You guys will never find any product who's better than this for curly hair. So I'm not used at all to speak in English because most of the time when I'm in London, I feel like I'm talking to people who are not British. And usually I talk to people who can talk in French or in Dutch, you know. I don't speak a lot of English, so I feel like that's why my English is not that good. I need to improve my English, so I think guys that when I will be in London within 2 months or something like that, I feel like I'm gonna do some vlog in English and some videos in English, you know, just to improve my English because I really need it. Let me know in the comment section guys if you want me to make some more English videos with some subtitles. Some bronzer on my lids. So guys, this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of this hair. So yeah, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you had a good time with me and I see you later. Bye. Oh mon dieu, c'était trop dur de parler en anglais.